everyone. So this is going to be a lifting massage, a lifting face sculpting massage, and it's much better than Botox or fillers or just a surgery and a knife. So we can do it better than that, right? So I'm Petra, and I have been practicing and studying massage for 14 years now, and my grandmother was a professional masseuse, and I do it, practice it all day, every day, and I also do holistic health studies, personal training, yoga, breathing, meditation. I'm like all into that stuff, and it's my life. So I discovered face yoga a couple of years ago, and ever since I'm done for life. So let's do the lifting massage. And first, let's create the basics. Okay, so first it's always body awareness, breathing, and posture. All right, so we're gonna do some nice circling movement, but you can as well, if you just want to check yourself, grab your elbows behind you. Grab your elbows behind you. Just grab your elbows behind you. It's going to feel weird, don't worry. And just come into your body. Come down, descend from your head, come into your body. I know it's uncomfortable, especially for the first time. Come into your body, occupy your body, and make your breathing conscious. So that's the first tool, the first weapon to really do something with our racing mind, okay? So control of breath means control of the mind, all right? And it's way easier to control the breath first than the mind. So, so just remember this. I know your shoulders are stretching and all of that. Just breathe into it. So that's the basic. And now the lifting part. So first, it's gonna feel very, very nice. So remember when, you fell asleep in school, like, okay, so we're gonna do it with both fists. So you have both fists. You feel out where your cheek muscle is, and you just press under. And just rest into your cheeks. We're gonna do 9 exercises, 9 or 10 exercises, 1 minute each. And just this allows you, because we're not moving, this is static, so it allows you to deepen into your breath. Take nice, deep, long inhalations and exhalations. And you can even press a little bit. You don't have to, because the weight of the head, it's just so big. It's like 7, 8, 9, 10 kilos of heads we have. It's huge. Our heads are huge. So just use the weight of your head. And now at the end, just press a little bit more just to wake this area up. And then from here, we're gonna do the lift. Okay, so first we're gonna do an entire, like a U-turn with our hands. So first you start it like this. If you want to, it just feels nice. It's sort of like doing the whole circle, almost doing the whole circle. So you start to press with the pointing finger knuckle, and then you go all the way. So feel out the geometrical shapes of your face, of your fingers, where your muscles are, where your bones are. What does your muscle like, or what does your face like? Just start getting to know your body, getting to know your breath, and really descend into your body. Imagine as if you would be like a big white, like a big bubble of light, a big balloon of liquid light. And instead of being a balloon just hovering above your head, just imagine that this big balloon, this sphere of liquid light, just descends down into your body, encompassing, incorporating your entire physical body as well, instead of just being attached to your face, really, just like holding yourself, your energy self, just like as a balloon. So really come into your body, down to the tip of your toes, okay? All right, so after this, what we're gonna do whole face stroke. So you first start from the chin, and you can do it two way. Oh, I'm sorry. I just really got scared that I lost my earring, and I didn't. It's a constant fear for me. Like I got this from my mother. Okay, so to start here, and you can do it two ways. So when I was studying Indian Ayurvedic face and scalp and head massage, as well as feet massage, that was a very nice training I went to. Then we were practicing these very deep herbal oily massages, and one of my favorite strokes was that when you did the whole face, so you do the whole face from bottom to up, and you can do it in like this pulsating, like this, like this slithering movement. So you don't just simply do this. You can do this as well, you can alternate, but you can like pulsate, like do this wavy slithering, pulsating, and wow, it's gonna feel so good. Do the sides of the face. You can move to the front too. Of course, don't pop your eyes out and stuff like that. Okay, so after this, and just remember this movement for yourself later as well. So we're gonna do two eye lifting. So one, tilt your head a little, and then first we're gonna start to separate sort of the skin at the edge of our eyes. Okay, so prevent those little tiny threads, the tiny lines. And this should feel good too, because we watch the screen, we concentrate, watch the road, watch the street lights or whatever, and it's just like stress on the eyes all the time, all day, every day. And just move this area out. Just it's like you separate, and you do that like this when you are like playing the strings type of way. The other way, you can help your head to tilt to the other side, especially if you hold the posture longer like this. It's nice to help the head to come back to center, and again just play the strings here on the side of your eyes, separating the skin there, the part that we tend to pull together and contract. Hold your posture, chest up, sternum up. Release the tension from the shoulders. Let your shoulders hang really loose, and make sure you're in the body and you're breathing into your belly, and you're pushing your belly button out intentionally. Okay, so next one, we're gonna stay here, and what we're gonna do is we're just going to start the gentle lifting, and this as well should feel heavenly. Seriously, just heavenly. Do it till you want to, and everything here, of course, at the temple, immense pressure builds up there all day, every day, when we go through life and go through the uncomfortable things and stuff like that, and you're just forced to control yourself, and everything, you start to grind your teeth, so all the tension comes normally up here and other parts of the body too. So again, you can help with your hand, it's easier for the neck, and then the other side. Okay, make sure you're doing conscious long stress releasing exhalations. Okay, so stress releasing exhalations. Breathe out and let go anything that gets stirred up when you are descending into your body, when you are practicing body awareness. Yeah, just don't hold anything in. Let go, let go, let go. Okay, next one. So what we're gonna do, again, we're gonna do the fist, and just like when we were doing this with the chin, you're gonna do the same thing, but with the eyebrows. So you're going to feel out your eyebrow bone, and right below your eyebrows, so not the eyebrows but below the eyebrows, you're gonna see that your fist perfectly fits into your eye socket for some reason. And then you're going to pull it up and just lean into it. So you lean into your fist, and you also press and push the eyebrows up with your fist. This should feel very, very good. You know, just let go. Things will get stirred up in your belly. Things will want to come out. Everything that we are forced to hold inside all the time, just let it out, okay? Let it out. And you know, when it gets too up and your fingers or fist is sliding up, you start again. You press a little bit your eyes, and then you press the eyebrows up. It should feel very good, okay? All right, next one. Again, eyebrow lift. We're gonna do it with one. So you are gonna cup your little fingers in the shape of the eyebrows in like this arched way, and then you're gonna fit your fingers right below your eyebrow. Push the eyebrows up, and then you're gonna do the strings again. You know, you're just gonna start. You can vibrate a little bit, and then you just, you know, string and pull, you know, like when you are playing the string on some instrument. Just do it simple like that. And the other side. So again, fit your fingers below your eyebrows, push it, and slowly. Nice. One more lifting movement, simple forehead lift. What we're gonna do, we're gonna have our fingers coming from above, and you're just going to pull up your forehead, pressing your fingers to also pressing and pulling, starting from the middle, walking out to the side, again back to the middle. And you know, you can do it like this, like when you're going to your cosmeticians. This is also a very nice gentle move that you can practice. Massage therapists do this, cosmeticians do this, you know, it just feels very nice, and it just has this very nice movement of the fingers too. So, you know, just make sure that it's comfortable and it's a good feeling for you. And then just 3 face strokes, like when you're washing your face in the morning. Okay, so I hope you liked it, and I hope you feel amazing. Practice every day, or of course, if you can, practice the most you can. You're not gonna regret it. And if you like this, you know, push a subscribe, and all the things that people do, you know, what you have to. You can check all the other info in the description, and I also do recipes and herbal health and stuff like that. So yeah, this is amazing. Massage is amazing. Not only face yoga, but self-massaging the whole body, you know, your ankles, the feet, you know, it's just something that I think we should have learned this from when we were a baby. So yeah, just, it's never too late to catch up on self-care. So just do it, okay?